So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
Welcome to another travel vlog. I'm super excited, guys. Oh my gosh, it's my first time going to Bali and I just can't get enough of it. The things that are making me super excited: first, I'm meeting with my long distance fiance. Second, it's gonna be a leisure trip, no activities. I think I've exhausted all activities on my bucket list in Bali. This is such a beautiful airport. The last time I was here, it was back in 2022 and they didn't have this orchard opened. We have a lot of hours to spend here. Let me take you guys through this airport. Let's explore together. Just looks so beautiful.
Driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning, feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember.
One thing about Hamad International Airport, you can get anything and everything. Even if you want a Ralph Lauren restaurant, you will get it here. A Chanel restaurant, yes, it's inside here. I think the more money you have, the more luxury experience you can have in this airport, because you can also shop from these luxury stores, the Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, name them. Oh my gosh, how do they even maintain this green in these plants? I can imagine how much maintenance it needs just to keep these plants alive and thriving like this. This is how that water thing looks like from down here. And also down here you have something like a pond. It's just so beautiful. And to add to that, they have like these sitting spaces and they have charging ports. How thoughtful is that? I've been to airports where just finding a charging port can be so tasky, but here, oh, look at this. You can sit, you can charge your phone, you can use your laptop. There are these things that they look like houses. You can enter there and just relax there. So you can imagine you go inside this space and you sleep, then you miss your flight just like that. And I don't know how they have put in such a way that you can hear birds chirping. I'm not even kidding. There are birds chirping inside here. It's just so therapeutic. This is the food court. And this is where I bought my food. It's called Navito. Yeah. 24 hours later, I arrived in paradise. So let's have a quick villa tour. This is our first villa, by the way. morning, guys. It's another day. It's such a hot and humid day. Right now we are heading over to buy some groceries, fruits and vegetables. Oh, don't poop. So yeah, come with us. As usual, it's such a hot. Oh, Canggu is so hot.
But also it's the rainy season and we've still got sunshine.
Yeah, like the sun hits you, and I keep on forgetting applying sunscreen. So all these that you're seeing are villas for rent, furnished, fully furnished. This one. It's okay, baby. This way, this camera is the best for vlogging. It's not bulky. Yeah. We just arrived at the main street. This is our second day in this villa. So right now we are preparing to go out to Canggu Center and probably also watch the sunset. Crossing fingers there'll be sunset today because the weather here just keeps on changing. It can be raining. The next 10 minutes it's so sunny. So this is my OOTD. Quite shocked in this top. And you'll see my OOTD better, I think, when we are at the beach. So right now we're just waiting for our taxi to come. Yeah, I had really missed this beer, the Bintang berry beer. Let's go to Canggu Center. So we just arrived a bit late, just before sunset here at the beach. I don't know if you guys can hear me. People are just watching sunset. The people around taking pictures and all. The smell of the ocean, you know. This is a long stretch of black sand beach full of restaurants which have these beanbags where people can watch sunset, and I think we should do this. Actually, we'll do this in one of these days. Look at this sand. It's so sparkly. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. Here you'll see the La Brisa, Eco Beach, which other, I can't remember the names. Like, you just order your drinks, your beer, your cocktail, and watch sunset. It's been written Pererenan. Pererenan is this area, it's called Pererenan. Oh, what's there? So we walked until the end of this beach road. There's water passing here, so we can't cross. Initially I thought it's Finn's Beach Club, but now it's not. So we're trying to check in the Google Maps and see where this place is.
Yeah, I don't think we can cross.
No, we can. I've decided to come to this Indian restaurant. I like Indian food, so right now, and they have like a buy one get one free. It's on cocktails, selected cocktails, the classic cocktails, yeah. So I'm having the Sex on the Beach cocktail. I've ordered a fish curry and rice, and my fiance has ordered mutton, rogan josh, and naan, garlic naan. Even though it's got some aesthetics, I don't think this is one of those restaurants you go and get those Instagrammable, aesthetically pleasing photos and videos. And in my experience, such restaurants always have very tasty food, so I can't wait to eat.
If it's anything else, just call me. I will help.
All right, thank you. Yeah. Good morning! It's breakfast time. I was woken up with some aroma of really nice food being prepared by my man. Like, just look at this. It looks like we're in a 5-star hotel. And to add on that, this is the salad we're having. For breakfast, we're having sausages, scrambled eggs, tomato, and some onions. It looks like caramelized onion, I don't know. But I just, yeah, can't wait to. And today is such a sunny day. Look, this is how the weather looks like. Every morning it looks like this. Then when we reach around 1 p.m., it rains, and there's thunder when it rains. Like, it's just crazy. There's thunder when it rains, then in the evening there's sunset. So really, if it's rainy season in Bali, as long as you're in Canggu, I don't think it should be something you should be worried about, to be honest. I think.
Red, white, black flag, daddy gon' shake some. Green, yellow, black flag, rude gal, shake some. We don't want no drama in this, so don't make none. Mobbing till the day come, yeah, till the day come. And the day came, still thumbing through the night, chance of light rain. I guess I really gotta show you about this Trinity King. I guess this is how it is when you from the island, man. So I took a flight to Tobago.